Hello everyone. So basically in yesterday classes we complete the gluteal region muscles which are basically maximum in size. Okay, and today our topic is the small muscles of the gluteal region. Okay, so yesterday मैंने आपको 3 muscles study करवाए थे that are gluteus maximus, gluteus minimus and gluteus medius. Okay, अब अगर आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आए कि राइट डाउन दी ग्लूटियल रीजियन मसल इन 10 मार्क्स, तो आपको आज का वीडियो और कल का वीडियो में जो मसल्स है सारे लिखने होंगे. बट इफ द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक राइट डाउन अबाउट दी स्मॉल ग्लूटियल रीजियन मसल्स, तो आज के वीडियो में हम जो स्टडी करेंगे जस्ट वो ही आपको आंसर करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द स्मॉल रीजियन और द स्मॉल मसल्स ऑफ ग्लूटियल रीजियन. Okay, let's start. Lateral rotators of thigh or the small muscles of gluteal region. So basically it include total 6 muscle. So piriformis, gemellus superior, gemellus inferior, total 3. Then obturator internus, obturator externus and the quadratus femoris. Okay, so these are the 6 muscle which basically the muscles of the small muscles of the gluteal region, and action is same of the all 6 muscle, that is lateral rotation of the thigh. Now we discuss one by one. So first muscle is piriformis muscle, which is the short lateral rotators of the thigh, and here it is our piriformis muscle. See, this is piriformis muscle. It is key muscle of gluteal region, originates from the pelvic surface of sacrum. Okay, આ sacrum બોલ છે એની pelvic surface of the second, third and fourth piece and sarcotuberous ligament. Just remember this pelvic surface of sacrum. Insertion is the greater trochanter. Okay, બધામાં તમારે insertionમાં શું લખવાનું છે? greater trochanter. It is easy to remember. So greater trochanter of femur is insertion, and last action. So action is what? The action is lateral rotation of thigh, and the nerve supply is the S1 S2 anterior rami. Okay, so that is what about the nerve supply. So this is our piriformis muscle. Origin anterior sacrum, insertion greater trochanter of femur, and action is lateral rotation of thigh. Second muscle is superior gemellus. Now the origin is from the spine of ischium. Okay, and second is insertion. So insertion is the upper border of greater trochanter of femur, that known as the superior gemelli insertion. Now અહીંયા જો અહીંયા બતાવ્યું છે કે superior and inferior gemelli are just above and below the obturator internus. So this is obturator internus. Any superior કયા આવશે? superior gemellus અને inferior આવશે inferior gemellus. So obturator ની ઉપર superior gemellus અને નીચે inferior gemellus. So insertion at the greater trochanter of the femur. Nerve supply is obturator internus nerve, and action is lateral rotation of the hip joint. So this is what about the superior gemellus. Insertion same GT of femur, nerve supply obturator internus nerve, action also same but just origin is different, that is spine of ischium. The next is inferior gemellus muscle. So this is our inferior gemellus muscle, that is આ છે obturator internus, એની નીચે that is inferior gemellus. The origin is from the ischial tuberosity, insertion at the greater trochanter of femur. This is what our inferior gemellus, and action is lateral hip rotation. So this is about the inferior gemellus muscle. Now basically if we talk about the nerve supply of this muscle, is it is now to quadratus femoris. A muscle જે છે inferior gemellus એને સપ્લાય કરશે nerve to quadratus femoris. So this is different nerve supply. The fourth muscle is obturator internus. Now obturator internus means obstruct, and originates from the inferior internal surface of pelvic bone surrounding the obturator foramen. આ જે છે તે ઓબ્ચ્યુરેટર ફોરામેન છે. એની સરાઉન્ડિંગ કયો મસલ આવેલો છે? ઓબ્ચ્યુરેટર ઇન્ટરનસ. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ અવર ઓબ્ચ્યુરેટર ઇન્ટરનસ મસલ. એનો શેપ બી આખો અલગ છે. ઓકે, સ્પૂન જેવો શેપ છે. અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે અને આ સાઈડ જાય છે. તો આ ટાઈપનો શેપ છે, દેટ ઇઝ સ્પૂન ટાઈપ ઓફ શેપ. And insertion is greater trochanter of femur. Action same, lateral hip rotation. Just remember the origin is internal surface of pelvic bone around the obturator foramina. Next is obturator externus. Okay, externus એટલે થોડુંક outside છે. Okay, બહાર છે. So externus originates from lateral surface of obturator membrane. Okay, આ obturator foramen હતું એની આ membrane છે. So this is what origin, obturator membrane. Insertion is trochanteric fossa of the femur, and action is adduction and lateral rotation of hip joint. Now supplies obturator nerve. Okay, so this is what about the obturator externus. And the last muscle is the quadratus femoris that originates from the ischial tuberosity. This is our quadratus femoris. આ ischial tuberosity છે તો અહીંયાથી origin થયું. ઓકે, અલગ કલરથી બતાવું છું. See, this is origin of quadratus femoris, ischial tuberosity. Then insertion, that is intertrochanteric crest of femur between greater and lesser trochanter. અહીંયા greater trochanter હોય and lesser trochanter હોય એની વચ્ચે. Okay, so that is intertrochanteric crest. ત્યાં insert થશે and action is same, lateral hip rotation. This is what about the quadratus femoris. Quadratus femoris. The next is diagram of this all muscles. So the first muscle is piriformis, which is slight long. Then superior gemellus. Okay. Then obturator internus. Obturator internus ની નીચે આવશે inferior gemellus and inferior gemellus નીચે આવશે quadratus femoris. So these are all muscles of the gluteal region, which are basically small muscles. And action is lateral rotation of hip joint. So thank you so much for watching my video, and tomorrow we will continue with the hamstring muscle group. Okay, and that question is very much IMP for 10 marks. So be attend tomorrow lecture. And if you like my video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And if you want other anatomic topics, then tell me in comment box.